Hi everybody from Azurite. This is Trina. A lot of you know who I am. I'm just going to discuss a few things about the surgery guide in case you don't have it, so you understand a little bit more. The surgery guide is an in-detailed process on how we handle everything from the first time you send in your photos to how you book, the invoicing, to post-healing, and what to expect when you're there. So let's just go over a few things about the actual surgeries today. First of all, I'd like you all to start paying attention to your diet and exercise prior to going. Try to quit smoking, go on a patch. On our website, Azurite website, we have supplements that are excellent for wound healing, circulation, and getting your blood clean so you don't get infections. Super greens are very important for clean blood. First thing is what to expect. You have your surgery, you've just been under general. And some of you might get nauseous, some might cry, some might not anything. 50% of you don't experience much of anything and just want to get up and start shopping. But I'd like you to hold off a few days regardless, even if it's just implants. For those that do experience a little bit more, realize that we can get you medication for nausea, just ask. Realize if you're having an allergic reaction with throwing up, that's going to pass very quickly once we give you the medication. If you need a stronger medication for the pain, just ask for it. They have morphine, but we won't, once you leave the hospital, you'll be put on a standard post-surgery medication. Now, what to expect? If it's a tummy tuck, you're going to be numb, you're going to not be able to stand up. It's going to take a few days that you'll be in the hospital. Mommy Makeovers are 3 nights, 4 days. Take this time, relax. You don't need to be running off. You don't have the children with you, and there's no one to take care of you that you have to worry about. So just relax. Use this time to heal. Try at this time, if you can eat, just to do fruits, vegetables, lots and lots of water, and some lean protein. Lean protein is the most important post-surgery food you can have, and because it's going to help you with your protein and keeping your skin elasticity, quicker healing. Again, try to do the pro-arginine from our website. That's very important for wound healing. That will probably accelerate you twice the speed. So I can't tell you how much I believe in that. What to expect after you're with a mommy makeover, for instance. You're going to be sore. You're going to have temporary garments on. We ask that you order prior to coming, or you can order down there. We have someone that will come to the hotel and size you and give you a price for permanent, maybe 6 weeks, some of them are 3 months. You need to ask your doctor. My doctors would tell you exactly what your case is. You need to ask. But the permanent post garments are very important for liposuction especially. And that means for you women that are doing your necks, when you have extra weight in your necks, you need to wear your post-surgery garments. I don't care if they look silly, because this will help the skin go back to regain its elasticity. You have to do it for your tummy tucks, because on the tummy tucks it will help with the lymphatic drainage. A lot of you don't wear them properly. You have too tight, not wearing enough, then the fluid builds up. If you're in heat, you're going to have more fluid. If you're not drinking enough water, if you are smoking, all these things are going to slow you down. So just understand it takes time, 6 to 8 weeks regardless. Just give it time and don't freak yourself out. Just do the things I tell you to do. For the breast implants, it's very important you have a nice, it could be a sports bra, just clips in the middle. You just want to hold them up, no underwire, no padding. Nothing special for that. If you're having a lift, make sure you have adequate. I like if they clip in the middle or zip in the middle, so you don't have to lift your arms. You don't want to be lifting anything heavy for the first few weeks. Now, even if you're on my upgrades and you're going to the Phuket, Vista, we have, you usually booked at 20 kilos. I don't even like you carrying that much unless you have a partner with you that can carry it. Because you remember, you got to get it off the conveyor belt. Leave it with the concierge at the past hotel if you're returning. All right, let's see. For facelifts, remember, you got to keep elevated on pillows. You have to make sure you ice the first 3 days and more compresses after. If your eyes are pulling down, normal. If stitches feel like they're in there, normal. Put your ointment in. If you one eye sticking up a little more, tape them. Oh, maybe I should do this. make sure that you're doing all these things that we suggest. They're all part of normal pros for surgery. You don't freak yourself out about it. Arm lifts, thigh lifts. These have more pressure put on them. They have spots, they're pressure points. They're gonna have more pooling going on. Make sure you aren't pulling your arms up or putting pressure on your thighs. Use the first few weeks to heal properly and give your body time to do it. It's gonna take 6 to 8 weeks for any surgery to really see the results. So allow the bumps, the raised sutures, the little bit of itching, the little bit of maybe spreading. Some of you will develop a small hole at the suture. It's nothing to worry about. It means it's healing quicker under the skin. It looks like something's wrong. Just pat it with ointment, the antibiotic ointment, and give it time. And usually by a week that it will even pass. If you see a clear stitch and it's bothering you, just trim it. If you see a dark stitch, pull it. The reason is our surgeons do a very fine, intricate in increments of stitching. So if you're healing quicker in one area, there might be some stranded, stray stitches there. If they're dark, you pull them. Clear, trim them. Clear ones means they're dissolving and they might take 3 to 6 months. I think that's about it. Most of you understand your healing's not going to take overnight, but you're going to have wonderful results. You just stick with us, listen to us, take your time the first week. Second week, you can start enjoying yourself. Go out with your personal assistant, go sightseeing, go shopping. Just enjoy yourself, but take time and understand everything's okay. And we just want to thank you, and we're excited to be part of your new beginnings. And anytime you need us, we're here. We have staff on site. In Bangkok, and we're here to make sure you have the safest recovery. Have a great day. Bye-bye.